What's up, people? Zayan Amani here. Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. Really quickly, just wanted to explain to you about using crypto for payments for real estate and property, whether it's going to be off plan, whether it's going to be a secondary purchase. So it is possible over here to directly pay the developer in USDT, BTC, Ethereum. It depends what they accept. They can even accept Solana. So today, what I wanted to just walk you through or show you, I'm actually going to go and exchange some USDT into cash because I need to make a payment on one of my properties. So yeah, I have to pay about 150k dirhams, or circa £30,000 to the installment of my purchase. So I have purchased a unit in Shoba, Sinia Island. So I'm just going to go and exchange a partial amount, around $16,000 or so, into cash. So I'm going to go to my exchange partner. So I'm going to go there and exchange the money, just walk you through, just show you guys that it's possible. And it's really, very, I guess, welcomed here, or it's just a normal thing. People exchange crypto into money, fiat, very, very often, very, very easily. And it's all about finding the right person that you trust as well. And I'd say the exchange rate as well, because of course they need to make money. Everyone needs to make money. So you want to find someone who, can give you a good rate, who you like, who you trust. So I'll show you guys in a second. I'll show you the transaction, I guess, and then the money roll in. But yeah, you can exchange crypto into you can exchange crypto into cash to pay for real estate, or the developers themselves have a crypto wallet that you can send directly to. I literally just had a client this week who did this. He sent his USDT straight to the developer for his down payment. And that's it, guys. Really, really quick transaction. We have the cash. It looks like a really small amount, but the value of the bills are quite high. So these are 500 dirham bills, which is like, 5 £20 notes per one of these. But yeah, it's super, super easy, super quick to do that. I'm just going to go and deposit this now in the bank. If you want, they can actually do bank transfers as well, but they will give you a little bit of a higher fee. So if you actually go to collect the cash in person, then you'll get a better rate. So for me, because I'm doing a semi-large transaction, it depends on who you're talking to. But yeah, so I went to go pick it up, and it's just better when you're there in person, so you can trust them, you can get your cash. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that, and I'll see you on the next one.